We're going to learn how to find the volume of cylinders. The formula for the volume of a cylinder is to take the area of the base times height. Now, specifically for a cylinder, it's always pi r squared because it's always a circle times the height. I'd like you to know this formula because it's going to pop up another place, okay? So if we just know the volume is area of the base times height, that's going to help us in the long run. So let's try one. We know volume equals area of the base, so pi r squared, times height. So we have pi times my radius squared, so that's 7 squared, times my height, which is 14. So that's pi times 49 times 14. I just need to type that into my calculator. And I have 686 pi. This is going to be cubic inches. Now, keep in mind we're talking volume, so we're talking about the number of cubes that actually fit into that cylinder.